Have you ever wondered how to earn money online? Well, folks, the digital era has brought us countless ways to do just that. Today, we're going to explore two of the most popular methods: freelancing and creating an online business. Dipping our toes into the vast ocean of online earnings, we first come across freelancing. Think of it as selling your skills to the highest bidder. Are you a gifted writer, a savvy graphic designer, or a coding wizard? There's a market out there just waiting for your talents. Next, let's venture into the thrilling world of creating an online business. This is where you can turn that entrepreneurial spirit into a thriving digital marketplace. From e-commerce stores to subscription services, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or planning to quit your 9-to-5, the online world has got you covered. So buckle up and stay tuned as we delve deeper into these two exciting ways of making money online. Dive into the world of freelancing, where skills translate into earnings. Freelancing, my friends, is a world where your skills are your currency. It's like a bustling marketplace where you are both the shop owner and the product. You're selling your skills and talents to the highest bidder, or more accurately, to the client who values your work the most. Now, one of the biggest perks of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You get to choose when you work, where you work, and who you work for. It's like being your own boss, without the overhead costs of a traditional business. Plus, there's the potential to earn a substantial income, depending on the demand for your skills and how well you market yourself. But it's not just about the money. Freelancing opens up a world of diverse project opportunities. You might be designing a logo for a startup one day and writing a blog post for a major corporation the next. It's a chance to broaden your horizons, build your portfolio, and constantly learn and grow. However, just like anything else in life, freelancing comes with its own set of challenges. The work and income can be inconsistent, which can make budgeting a bit of a balancing act. And then there's the competition. The freelance world is a vast ocean, teeming with talented individuals from all corners of the globe. Standing out from the crowd requires not just skill, but also savvy marketing and self-promotion. And let's not forget about the responsibility that comes with being your own boss. You're in charge of everything, from finding clients and negotiating rates to managing your time and meeting deadlines. It's a lot to juggle, but for many, the rewards are well worth the effort. So that's a glimpse into the world of freelancing. It offers a dynamic and flexible way of earning online, with the potential for high income and diverse project opportunities, but it also comes with its share of challenges, like inconsistent work and income, fierce competition, and the need for self-promotion. Freelancing offers a dynamic and flexible way of earning online, but it's not the only way. Consider the potential of setting up your own online business. Now that's a phrase that packs a punch. It offers a world of possibilities, a chance to be your own boss, and the opportunity to turn your passions into profits. Setting up an online business is, without a doubt, an exciting venture. It's an opportunity to build something from scratch, something that's entirely yours. And the best part, it can be done from virtually anywhere at any time. One of the main benefits of an online business is the potential for passive income. This is income that doesn't require your active presence. Imagine earning money while you sleep or while you're on vacation. Sounds dreamy, right? That's the power of passive income. But wait, there's more. An online business offers scalability. In a traditional business, if you want to serve more customers, you might need to hire more people or find a bigger store. But online, the world is your marketplace. With the right strategies, you can serve 10, 100, or even 1,000 customers all at once. And let's not forget control. With your online business, you have complete control over your product or service. You can tweak it, improve it, or even overhaul it entirely based on your vision or customer feedback. Of course, setting up an online business isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It requires an initial investment, not just in terms of money, but also time. It's about building a website, creating or sourcing products, marketing, and so much more. And then there's the competition. The online marketplace is crowded, and standing out requires creativity, persistence, and a whole lot of grit. However, the challenges are part of the journey, a journey that can lead to immense rewards. The satisfaction of building something of your own, The thrill of making that first sale and the joy of seeing your business grow, it's all part of the package. Online businesses offer a different but equally exciting way to earn money online. Indeed, it's a path filled with potential, a path that might just lead to your dream lifestyle. Now that you know a bit about both, let's weigh the pros and cons to see which one might be the best fit for you. When it comes to freelancing, one of the biggest advantages is the flexibility it offers. You have the freedom to choose your projects, and you can work whenever and wherever you want. The barriers to entry are relatively low. All you need is a skill that is in demand and the ability to market yourself effectively. However, freelancing also has its challenges. Income can be unpredictable, and you may find yourself constantly searching for new clients. It can also be lonely, as you're often working on your own. On the other hand, creating an online business can be a game changer. It can potentially bring in passive income, and there's no limit to how much you can earn. You could be sleeping, and your business could still be making money. But with great reward comes great risk. It requires a significant upfront investment, both in terms of time and resources. You'll need to be comfortable with uncertainty and have the perseverance to overcome inevitable obstacles. So who might be best suited for each method? If you're someone who values flexibility, enjoys working on a variety of projects, and is comfortable with a bit of uncertainty, freelancing could be a great fit. It's also a good choice if you're just starting out and don't have a lot of resources to invest. On the flip side, if you have a vision for a product or service that could fill a gap in the market, and you're willing to take on more risk for potentially higher returns, creating an online business could be the way to go. It's a good fit for those with an entrepreneurial spirit and the patience to build something from the ground up. In conclusion, both freelancing and starting an online business have their own unique advantages and challenges. It's all about finding what aligns with your skills, risk tolerance, resources, and lifestyle. Both methods offer excellent opportunities, but the best choice depends on your personal circumstances and preferences. Ready to get started? Here are some steps to kick off your online earning journey. First, let's talk about freelancing. Step 1 is to identify your skills. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, coding? Once you've figured that out, step 2 is to create a portfolio. This is essentially your calling card, showing potential clients what you can do. Showcase your best work, and don't be afraid to brag a little. Step 3, join a platform. There's a whole slew of them out there like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, the list goes on. These platforms connect you with clients looking for your skills. Step 4, start bidding on projects. Don't get discouraged if you don't land the first few. Persistence is key. And finally, step 5, keep refining your skills. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Now, if you're more interested in starting an online business, the steps are slightly different. Step 1, find your niche. What product or service can you provide that people need? Step 2, create a business plan. This should outline your goals, target audience, and strategies for reaching them. Step 3, build a website. This is your online storefront, so make it attractive and easy to navigate. Step 4, get your product or service out there. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, whatever tools you can to reach your target audience. And lastly, step 5, evaluate and adjust. Running a business is a process of constant learning and adjustment. Now, whether you choose to freelance or start an online business, there are a few strategies that apply to both paths. 1, network like crazy. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. 2, never stop learning. The online world is constantly changing and you need to keep up. And 3, persevere. Success won't come overnight, but with hard work and determination, it will come. Remember, the journey to online earning may be challenging, but the potential rewards are worth the effort. As we wrap up, let's revisit some key points about earning money online. First off, let's remember that the freelance world offers the advantage of flexibility and control over your time. However, it comes with the challenge of inconsistent income and the need for constant self-promotion. On the other hand, setting up an online business can provide a steady income and the potential for growth, but it requires more upfront work and a solid business plan. Choosing between the two ultimately depends on your personal preferences, skills, and resources. Key steps to get started include identifying your strengths and the services or products you can offer, researching the market, and crafting a strategy for reaching your target audience. Remember, whether you choose freelancing or an online business, success comes with patience, perseverance, and continuous learning. With determination and the right approach, you can turn the internet into your personal gold mine. Good luck on your online earning journey. Have you ever wondered about the differences between freelancing and running an online business? Well, today we're going to dissect this topic and shed some light on it. We'll be taking a balanced look at both freelancing and online businesses, not favoring one over the other, but rather highlighting the unique aspects of each, their advantages and, yes, their drawbacks too. You see, when it comes to earning online, there's no one-size-fits-all. What works for one person might not work for another. That's why it's so important to understand the nuances of different paths. Whether you're considering freelancing, where you're selling your skills to clients, or you're thinking about starting an online business where you're the boss, there's a lot to consider. So let's dive into the world of freelancing and online business and explore their pros and cons. Hold on to your seats, folks. It's going to be an enlightening ride. So what exactly is freelancing? Well, in the simplest terms, freelancing is like being a one-man band in the grand orchestra of the professional world. As a freelancer, you're not tied down to one company or employer. Instead, you're your own boss, offering your skills and services to a variety of clients. Imagine a graphic designer, for instance. As a freelancer, they might create logos for a tech startup one week, then design a brochure for a local bakery the next. They're not confined to one company's projects or deadlines. Their work is diverse, their schedule flexible, and their workplace often wherever they choose. Freelancing is all about autonomy and versatility. It's about choosing who you work with, what projects you take on, and when and where you work. It's about carving your own path in your chosen field, and it's about freedom. Now that we have a better understanding of freelancing, let's explore its pros and cons. So, what are the pros and cons of freelancing? First, let's dive into the benefits. One of the most appealing aspects of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. You're no longer tied to a 9-to-5 schedule. You can work when you want, where you want. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can align your work with your natural rhythm. Then there's the variety. As a freelancer, you're not confined to one role or one company. You have the freedom to work on different projects with different clients in different industries. It's a fantastic way to keep your work interesting and your skills sharp. And speaking of freedom, freelancers have control over their jobs and clients. You get to choose who you work with and what jobs you take on. You're not stuck with a difficult boss or a project that doesn't interest you. You're the boss, but it's not all roses. With the freedom of freelancing comes a lack of job security. You're not guaranteed a steady paycheck every month. Some months might be great, others not so much. It's a bit of a roller coaster ride. This leads us to the unpredictable income. Since you're paid per project, your income can fluctuate significantly from month to month. It can be challenging to budget and plan for the future when you're not sure what your income will be. And finally, as a freelancer, you're responsible for all aspects of your business. From finding clients and managing projects to handling finances and paying taxes, it's all on you. It can be a lot to handle, especially if you're new to the game. And that's a quick look at the pros and cons of freelancing. But what about running an online business? Let's shift gears and talk about running an online business. An online business, in its simplest form, is a commercial enterprise that conducts transactions over the internet. What sets it apart from traditional brick-and-mortar businesses is that it operates primarily in the digital realm. These businesses can take on many forms, from selling handmade crafts to offering specialized services and everything in between. What makes an online business unique is the fact that it involves not just selling goods or services via the web, but also managing all aspects of the business in the virtual world. This includes marketing, customer service, inventory management, and more. Essentially, as an online business owner, you're the captain of your digital ship, steering it through the vast ocean of the internet. Running an online business can be a rewarding venture, but it comes with its own set of challenges. So, Buckle up as we delve deeper into the world of online businesses. Now, let's delve into the pros and cons of running an online business. What are the advantages and disadvantages of running an online business? Let's dive right in and unpack this. First off, one of the biggest benefits of an online business is its scalability. Unlike a traditional brick-and-mortar store, an online business isn't confined to a physical location. This means you can reach a limitless audience anywhere in the world at any time. Pretty cool, right? Another significant advantage is the potential for passive income. With an online business, you can set up systems that make money while you sleep. Ebooks, online courses, and subscription services are all examples of products that can generate income long after the initial effort has been made. And let's not forget about the global reach. An online business can cater to customers from all corners of the globe. This means you're not just limited to your local neighborhood or city, but you can tap into markets that were previously out of reach. But, like everything else in life, an online business isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are some drawbacks to consider. One major challenge is the high level of competition. The internet is a big place, and there are likely many other businesses offering similar products or services. This means you'll need to work extra hard to stand out and attract customers. Another downside is the unpredictability. Trends change rapidly online and customer behavior can be fickle. What works today might not work tomorrow, and you'll need to stay on your toes to keep up. Lastly, running an online business requires some degree of technical knowledge. You'll need to understand how to build and maintain a website, use social media effectively, and navigate the world of online advertising. This can be a steep learning curve for some, and that gives us a snapshot of the pros and cons of running an online business. So, freelancing or running an online business, which one is right for you? That's the question we've been exploring today. Let's recap what we've learned to help you make an informed decision. Freelancing, as we've discussed, is about trading your skills for money. You're your own boss, you set your own hours, and you choose your projects. It's an appealing option for those who crave flexibility and autonomy. But remember, freelancing also comes with its own set of challenges. It can be isolating, income can be unpredictable, and you're responsible for every aspect of your business. On the other hand, we have online businesses, which are about creating a system that generates income. This can be through selling products or services, affiliate marketing, or even content creation. The beauty of an online business is its scalability. You can reach a global audience and potentially earn money while you sleep. But building an online business is no walk in the park. It requires investment, both time and money, and there's a steep learning curve involved. Plus, you'll face competition from every corner of the globe. So which is the better option? Well, that really depends on you, your circumstances, your preferences, and your career goals. If you're seeking immediate income and enjoy working on diverse projects, freelancing might be your cup of tea. If you have a long-term vision, don't mind putting in the initial effort, and are comfortable with taking risks, running an online business could be the way to go. But remember, there's no hard and fast rule here. You could start as a freelancer and later transition into running an online business, or vice versa. You could even do both concurrently if that suits your lifestyle and goals. Ultimately, the choice between freelancing and running an online business depends on you. Both have their own unique set of benefits and challenges, so weigh your options carefully and choose the path that aligns best with your goals and aspirations.